Lisa Lavender here from the Restoration Technical Institute and our Inspiration Center, and we're so excited to have Kerry from Phoenix stop by and visit during our ASD class. He is awesome at supplying us with the latest technology for training, so we know it's coming out on the market, and he shared with us some exciting things that are coming out of Phoenix that we can all look forward to. Can you tell us a little bit about that, Kerry?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you for having me, and this is a pleasure to be here. It's my first time here. Great location, great institute. So what's coming up in the future is a new ecosystem of sensors that will all communicate with an app. That will automatically populate a drawing log and then eventually a total job summary. So we're launching it next month, and then from there, the sky's the limit. It's going to evolve into some really great things in the future too.
Awesome. Well, we're looking forward to seeing that awesome technology from Phoenix, and thank you for visiting us.
Thank
you
you
all.
Thank you.